Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to install LDPlayer 14 on your Windows PC. This process is very simple and take only few minutes. First, open your favorite web browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Search for LDPlayer 14 and open the official LDPlayer website. Click the download button to download the latest version of LDPlayer 14. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file. If your Windows asks for permission, select Yes. Then click the install button and wait for the installation to finish. This may take few minutes depending on your internet speed and computer. After the installation is complete, click Start or open LDPlayer 14 from the desktop shortcut. The emulator will launch automatically on the first startup. It may take little longer to load. Next, sign into the Google Play Store using your Google account. Now you can download your favorite Android apps and games directly from the Play Store. You can also install APK file by clicking the Install APK option on the right side of the emulator. That's it, LDPlayer 14 is now ready to use. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.